Hey, what's up everyone? It's me and Stella the Chipatarian. We're gonna show you the Gardein holiday roast. It comes with 2 packs of gravy and a roast that is stuffed with cranberry and wild rice. Now you cook it in the oven for about 45 minutes in foil, and then the last 15 minutes you take it out of the foil and you let it brown up. So this is our first time trying it. And this is my first time cutting it open to see what it looks like. That's what it looks like. We're gonna cut a little piece off. Now we're gonna taste it. There you go. Wow. Comes with gravy also. Wow, that is really, really good. Yeah. This is so good. I am so amazed. This really reminds me of turkey.
Are we gonna have this for Thanksgiving?
All I need is some cranberry sauce. Wow. I don't even need the gravy.
Are we gonna do this for Thanksgiving?
We might. So how do you like it?
Recommend it.
Hmm?
Recommend it. Recommend.
Okay. I didn't want her to, she has to finish swallowing it first. Well, thank you everyone.
Well, make sure to like our video. Bye.